the history of the human civilization, concrete as a material is still one of the main material in the design principles. Iron, glass, and concrete are still dominant materials. Why? All the Romans used volcanic ash combined with lime and add some clay, and they produce concrete which stands for hundreds of years and still intact. Concrete. Concrete can help you in the process of making designs of any structure. Why? Because if you design properly concrete itself, you can put it on the various position and emphasize the quality of material itself. For instance, great Finland architect Alvar Aalto made designs which is more than the less every engineer of architecture or study on the university. The principle is the best entrance is from the north, and from the south you can make your blueprints more and more complex to open to the daily light and to make another quality of the life. So on the north side you can put mixed design and concrete which can be resistant to the frost and salt for the frost mainly in the high rising buildings. On the south position you can use maybe thermal properties, maybe combined with the open space, because concrete can make various form depending on how you approach and make design. All my career, last 70 years, I spent on the big construction infrastructure projects. As I mentioned already, as an architect engineer, now I can combine, I can make connections between when you are young and study and when you have a lot of praxis. I suggest you to use old mixed designs from the 70s. Mainly they are now forgotten. Why? Because now we have standardization, more and less concretes are they are putting in the exposure classes, and this is the standard procedure for the designing. In the past they use a lot of ready-made materials such as wood or bricks, crushed bricks, or they are putting gravels maximum size from the 20 to the 40 millimeters in the plastic concrete and make more durable concretes in situ. This is the difference. Comparing to the mixed designers from the past, I mean last 30 years and now, there is a difference in the cement qualities, of course, and there is a difference in technical approaches. I will show you what is the meaning of the gradation curve and what is the impact it can have on the execution of the work. But if you start in mind when you are making the sketch or making the design and thinking about the possibilities or durability of concrete, you can make a lot of creative ideas possible for realizations.